Have you ever found a cool preset or effect for Alight Motion but got stuck at one step? The QR code? Well, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to scan and import a QR code in Alight Motion in 2025 so you can start using those presets instantly. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you actually have the QR code you want to use. Most creators share them as images, so go ahead and save that QR code to your device's gallery. Once it's saved, you're halfway there. Next, open Alight Motion on your phone. Inside the app, look for the import or scan QR code option. In the 2025 update, this feature is built directly into the app, which makes everything much faster and way more convenient. When you tap on the QR scan option, Alight Motion will ask where you want to get the QR code from. Since you already saved it, choose Import from Gallery. Your photo library will open up. Simply select the QR code image you saved earlier. Alight Motion will now scan the image automatically. You don't have to crop or adjust anything. Just wait a moment while the app reads the code. Once it processes the QR, it'll load the corresponding preset, project, or effect right into your workspace. And that's it. You're ready to use the preset immediately. No extra apps, no complicated steps, just import, scan, and start editing. If this helped you unlock a new side of Alight Motion, make sure to stick around for more quick tutorials and editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.